Well, we almost have a seat mounted. Now, just how did we get to this point? Let me show you. Alright, here's the way it works. You got to take out 4 bolts. There's one here, one here, one here, and one here to get the whole rack system off. It's a 13 millimeter, and it's kind of a bitch to get to because these are just the studs, so you got to go from underneath. So if you have a ratcheting wrench, it works out a lot better. Okay guys, we have separation. One thing I got to figure out is how to make this mechanism work right here. One, you can't bolt the seats down unless you can make that work. It used to be hooked to this cable here, which hooks to the original seat. So I'm gonna come up with some kind of little doodad that'll hopefully be able to activate that. Even though once I get the seats bolted in, I really don't care too much because I'm not gonna have a back seat. I'm gonna have a platform back here. So I really can't see much reason I'm gonna have to fold the seats forward. But it would be nice to get to it, but I think maybe I'll see if I can just reach my arm under it. I don't know. I'll get back to you in a minute. Let me give you some warnings here. When you go to put these brackets on, the instructions show you mounting these to the seats first and then mounting the whole cartridge. To me, the problem is you have to put a nut, one of the existing nuts like these over here, onto here. To me, it's easier doing it off the seat, and then it's easy to bolt this right to the seat. So that's why I've been doing mine. So I'm doing it kind of reverse of the instruction. It worked perfect on the other side. The other big thing is you have 2 ways of putting these on, either this way. Let me show you. If you put it on and you notice this is sticking out real far on the side that doesn't have the seat belt, you're wrong. Ask me how I know. Yeah, I had put all the bolts in and realized it wouldn't fit in the Jeep. But anyhow, so when you put it in, this side goes on the outside. And this should be right up next to your seat belt. Alright, I'm going to get these 4 bolts on there. And again, you don't have a ratcheting wrench, and you're going to be here all day. I mean, because this would literally be all you would get. But with the wrench, it's pretty fast actually. So, alright, give me a minute and I'll be back. Well, I made short work of that. That was easy. I'm telling you guys, get you a 13 millimeter ratcheting wrench, because that would be agonizing without it. Yeah, let me bolt this down to the seat now. I'm getting close. Okay guys, it's all bolted up. Here's one tip I'm going to give you if you put it together the way I did. Put this bolt and this bolt in first. Then get to these bolts, because these you can use a ratchet on. I had a heck of a time trying to line this one up, and of course it was the last one I tried to do, so I ended up taking it all apart, and then it bolted right back together perfectly. But I started with that one and went with these, and they're not too hard to get to, but then these were just no issue at all. Alright, time to put it in the Jeep and see how it looks. Well guys, the seats are installed. They're super comfortable, and they fit great. They clear the roll bar, so I can recline them back. Really no issues at this point. I haven't put the console in, but I have gotten my carpet kit in, so fix to install that now. So tune into the next episode and you'll see that, and I'll get the console and everything in. You'll get to see the complete look. Then we'll start building on the back.